Hi, it's Jan Audrey. Casserole means comfort, and today I'm turning an Italian classic into family style. Eggplant Parmesan casserole, so delicious. Here's what you'll need. Medium to large eggplants, an onion and garlic, both chopped fine, organic crushed tomatoes and organic tomato paste. The organic variety adds a natural sweetness. Herbs and spices like basil, bay leaves, and red pepper flakes, and cheeses, fresh mozzarella or shredded, whole milk ricotta, and Parmesan. Cut the ends off the eggplant and slice off the skin. Then cut them into quarter-inch rounds. Boil some water and a little salt. Add the eggplant slices and blanch for a few minutes. This adds moisture and tenderness to the eggplant. Lay the slices on paper towels to drain and start the sauce. Heat some oil and butter, sauté the chopped onion and garlic, then the mushrooms, basil, bay leaves, and red pepper flakes. Cook to soften, then add the crushed tomatoes and tomato paste. Finally, in a skillet with oil and butter, fry the soaked eggplant slices until golden, then sprinkle with salt and pepper. To assemble, spoon the tomato sauce on the bottom, followed by a row of eggplant. Spoon dollops of ricotta, sprinkle with shredded mozzarella, and repeat. Add some Parmesan to the top, and it's ready for the oven. Bake for 25 minutes and serve nice and hot. Eggplant Parmesan casserole for dinner this week. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.